I am absolutely blown away by this video. We just got a brand new motorcycle, taking it out of the van, and we're going to go ahead and try to do, I don't know what we're trying to do. Either way, let's take a quick look at this. This is what happens. We're going to be talking about a lot of the issues with this and why you shouldn't do it, because he got some road rash. We're going to explain a little bit about road rash and how you can mitigate it, and also why it's so painful and so dangerous for you as a rider, as a human, whatever. All right, are you guys all humans? I don't know why I said that. With that said, let's get to class and talk about it. It's a short video, by the way. All right, lots of stickers on this baby. Oh, those planks of wood, I don't know if that's gonna hold.
Yo, man, don't drop it, bro.
Oh, I don't know. I have a bad feeling about this. Or did he pull it out? Okay, good.
Regin just got this R6, yo.
Oh, don't whiskey throttle it. Wear gear. Just if you accidentally drop the bike. No, bro. Oh.
Yo, slow down, man. Oh my god. Oh my. Yo, man, yo, are you good? Yo, are you good? Holy bro. Hold on. Yo, lift it up.
You're gonna need more stickers, dude.
Is my skin burnt on my face? Your arm is yo. Oh my god. Yo.
Oh, his exhaust got ripped off.
What the bro? Yo. Fam, I was menace. Dog, like what the No, your hand and your arm is see?
Let's see the road rash. Oh, there's road rash.
Holy fam.
Yep, that looks like level 1 and level 2.
Are you okay though?
He's gonna be in pain. His nerve endings are exposed right there. All right. So let's take a look at this right here. Class. I was about to say that underscores always check your brakes work before you ride. So what I like to do if I have a new bike, like on a demo event, or when I did that fun little FTR event, I already have one, but what I still did is at this stage right here, just right here, we're not going anywhere. You practice like that the second exercise in the MSF. You're going to just sit there with your feet and you're going to find that friction zone. Okay, close it back up. Find that friction zone. Okay, close it back up. Find that friction zone. Okay, close it back up. Just do that. And then you find the friction zone. You find where the brakes really grab. Okay, find the friction zone, where the brakes grab. You do that. You do that until you get a good feel for the bike. Okay? So that way you're not surprised. Another thing is wear gear. Something like this where you're just like, oh, I'm just going to go up the street and come right back. This is what could happen. You could hit your head. Thankfully, he only hit his arm. But he could have hit his head. He could have messed himself up really bad. He messed up the bike quite a bit. My only concern is him. So be very, very careful. We do have that friction zone practice on Motorcycle Training Concepts. So if you want to know how to do that, I have it on there. I have a whole system, not a whole system, but a whole series of how to mount and dismount, all the controls, what they are, how to find the friction zone, how to do straight line, how to do a straight line weave, how to do an offset weave, how to shift, how to do a U-turn, how to do a tight turn, how to do a figure eight. I have all that stuff on Motorcycle Training Concepts. So we're going to get over here.
Just got this R6, yo.
He just got the R6. We're not paying attention to safety. We care about the looks of things. So right here, you notice how we're not putting our feet up? That tells me he's an absolute beginner, okay? As soon as you get some speed, it's going to stabilize. You put your feet up.
Yo, slow down.
So right now, he's probably trying to turn, and then he's going to slam the brakes and dump the bike. There it is. So his hand, go ahead and Renzzi, zoom in on that. So his hand is going to go down, and that is a natural response. That's why you have gloves on the hands, right? Well, gloves on your hands, duh. But you're going to have padding on the palms of your hands for that reason right there. And you're going to notice he's going to get road rash on his arm right here, and that is where you have abrasion-resistant material on your jacket. He did hit his head. He's going to hit his right side. It'll be very, very painful. So I'm going to just go ahead and point out real quick.
Oh my god.
Ooh, hit his chin. Oh my gosh. All right. Full face helmet, right?
Oh my God! Oh my! Yo! Man, yo, are you good?
It's a nice area.
Yo, are you good?
So he's checking his body. He's probably got gravel inside of his palm, which is going to need to be pulled out. He just covered his chin, so he probably hit his chin. So a little bit of pain.
Bro, hold on.
Yeah, he's got stuff in his hand.
Lift it up.
Let's take a look at his arm.
Oh my, what the
So you hit his chest too.
Your arm is see? You're right here.
So that right there is, it looks like level 1. Probably close to level 2, right in the center parts. So his nerve endings are exposed a little bit on that, but for the most part, it's okay. I'm worried about his chin. He could easily chip teeth and break his jaw.
Right here.
But that right there, look at your jackets. If you have a motorcycle jacket, you're gonna have like this rough material on this outside, and if you have a mesh jacket, you're gonna have mesh on the inside. Because when you fall down, you typically fall on the outsides of your body, so you're gonna have that aramid fibers or leather covering that part. So that's abrasion. It's not impact, it's abrasion. Impact would be the elbows, face, his shoulder, his hands, and that's why you have that protection.
Holy.
Woo-wee. Damaged the bike, damaged him, ruined your day. Part of being a smart rider is acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment, so make sure you grab yourself a jacket just like this one from Revzilla using the link in the description. It's an affiliate link, it helps me out, no extra cost to you. Plus, it lets Revzilla know that the DanDan crew is pretty badass, and they actually grab some gear. Anyways, click that link. I'll see you soon.